Look out, wave.
At Mummy and Dad. Oh,
You don't want to wave to Mommy and Daddy?
Camera, Rich.
Give me big
Wave to
smiles.
Mummy and Daddy.
Wave. You can say hi if you want to say hi.
Hi,
Yay, wave. Keep waving.
Look at the camera. Wave at Mummy.
Okay,
Wave at Mummy and Daddy.
Wave.
Wave at Mummy. Big smile, Ellie.
Big smile.
Wave at Mummy and Daddy.
We're going to be a movie star.
Wave, Ellie, wave. Big smile for Mummy and Daddy. Big smile, Ellie. Big smile. Big smile. Bigger. Come on, bigger. Show your teeth.
Big.
Wave, that's it. Mummy and Daddy's out there.
Big waves.
Wave. Look at the camera.
Oh, boy, they'll see you. You'll be a movie star that night on television, maybe.
Look at the camera.
Wave. That's it. Smile.
Smile, Timothy. Big smile. Big smile.
Smile.
Big smile.
Smile. Wave.
Big smile.
Wave.
That's it. That's great.
That's a nice
Keep working. That's it.
Get set.
Go.
Wave. Wave.
Go. Look at the camera.
Wave. Wave. Big smiles. Come on, Nathan. Give me a big smile.
Oh, Nathan.
Come on, big smiles.
Look at us. That's it.
For the riders, from April through August, the motocross is more than an event. It's their way of life, traveling through some 12 nations, living in trailers, for barbecue grills, and for one thing, championship points. Now, there were other things that struck us, like the mud, but we'll try not to get bogged down in peripherals. What we came to see was the same thing that attracted all those other people.
Those magnificent men in their flying machines, they go up to the up, they go down to the down. They enchant all the ladies and steal all the scenes with their up to the up, and their down to the down. They go up, they go down.
Great Britain's David Thorpe, a driver for the Honda racing team, was the aggressor on day one, braving hills and valleys and just about anything else in his way.
They don't think of danger, they really don't care. Newton would think he had made a mistake to see those young men and the chances they take. Those magnificent men in their flying machines, they go up to the up, they go down to the down.
So, from the fun and sun and mud of Boyern, we'll bid you adieu until next year when our motos cross paths again at the World Championship to be held at the Boyern Raceway. Specialist Stan Kosmowski, AFN Sports.